Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the extreme stress test and the stability test of Android benchmark test for 10 times in the iQOO Neo 7 device. And this is my first time doing this kind of 10 times series because previously I did upload the Android benchmark test for 3 times and 5 times. But right now I decided to do for 10 times continuously to test the stability and the performance. And every time I receive the new processor, I need to test this kind of testings I need to do so that we can get to know exactly the stability and the performance consistency from test 1 to test 10. So that's what my main idea of doing this kind of videos on the new process. And in this video we'll try to find out how much the battery is draining and how much the performance will decrease and how much the scores we can actually expect in this iQOO Neo 7 device. So let's get started. Right now I started the test with the 100% and let me need to charge the complete 100% and start again. And right now you can see the temperature is of 28 degrees Celsius, and we'll try to see the temperatures, how much it's increasing, and we'll try to see the battery, how it's dropping while doing this test. Right now as you can see friends, we are reaching close to the end of the first test of the benchmark test, and the temperatures and the battery decreased. Let's see. So these are the scores which we got in this iQOO Neo 7, and the battery dropped to 97% from 100%, and we got the benchmark scores about 8,46,000 in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So this is iQOO Neo 7 device as you can see friends, and let's do the second time of our benchmark test continuously and we'll try to see the overall benchmarks. So I did try to take the screenshot, and after second time again we'll try to take the screenshot. So this is the second benchmark test results, and the battery dropped by 4%, and right now it is 93%, and temperature increased to 39.4 degrees Celsius, and these are the benchmark scores. And now I'll try to take the screenshot for the second time, and let's do the test again. And I will be back after test 3, and then we'll try to check the battery draining and the temperatures. So right now as you can see, this is the third round of testing, and this time the temperature did increase up to 40 degrees Celsius. Right now as you can see 40.6 degrees Celsius after third round of testing. So till now the performance was able to maintain pretty consistent without any kind of issues, as you can see overall regarding the benchmark scores. Now let's do the test for the fourth time continuously in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So here we go, the test has begun, and I can be back after end of the fourth test in the iQOO Neo 7. Right now as you can see friends, after round 4 of testing, so these are the benchmark scores which we got. So 8,48,000 in the iQOO Neo 7 device, and still the battery percentage is about 83%, so which is not bad. And let's do the test for the fifth time continuously and benchmark test non-stop in the iQOO Neo 7 device. And I can be back after some time friends, and this moment the temperature did increase above 40 degrees Celsius in the iQOO Neo 7, and I'm not using any monster mode while performing the test. Maybe next time I'll try to use the monster mode, and then I'll try to do the test as well. But this time I'm not using any kind of monster mode. So I can be back after some time. After 5 times of doing the benchmark test in the iQOO Neo 7 device. As you can see, this is the performance, but overall I didn't see any kind of huge decrease regarding the performance scores. If you try to compare the benchmark scores from the test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4 and test 5. And you can see the battery drop, how it's kind of dropping overall. In the beginning it dropped by 3%, later 4%, then 5%, 5% and then 6%. Maybe because of high temperatures the battery might be dropping slightly faster. But overall these are the results which I got after doing the benchmark test continuously for 5 times in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So let's do the test for the 6th time benchmark test, and this is going to be extremely intense kind of testing as well friends. So usually I'll try to do up to 5 times, but right now I decided to do up to 10 times of extreme benchmark test, and we'll try to find out the results, how consistent it's maintaining in the iQOO Neo 7 device. And I will be back after the 6th round of testing and the benchmark test. So right now as you can see, when there is a test 6th time which I'm trying to do, and these are the results which we got. 8,49,000 as you can see, and the temperatures increased up to 40 degrees Celsius, and right now the battery percentage is 71%. And let's do the test 7 as well. So right now the seventh round of benchmark test has begun, as you can see in the iQOO Neo 7 device, 7th round of testing. Until now it was able to perform pretty stable performance, not bad. And I can be back after the 7th test in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So right now as you can see, this is test 7, and right now the temperatures did increase up to 43.9 degrees Celsius in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So let me take the screenshot. So after the round 7 of testing, still the performance is maintaining pretty same So I didn't see any kind of decrease, nothing at all. Still it's maintaining pretty consistent. And let's do the test again. So I will be back after some time, friends, again to check the temperatures. So maybe after the round 8 test in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So this is a round 8 of testing the benchmark test, and you can see the performance still maintaining pretty good. And right now the battery dropped to 58% after this round 8, and you can see the temperatures increased up to 44 degrees Celsius. And I'll try to do the round 9, so test 9 in this device in the iQOO Neo 7. I'll try to take the screenshot, and let's continue with the round 9 of testing. And it's going to be really very intense kind of testing, friends, and this is my first time doing on any smartphone this kind of 10 times benchmarks. So previously I used to do up to 5 times, but this time I just want to push the limits to see how stable the performance can be there and how much high temperatures the phone can reach as well. So I will be back after round 9 of testing. Right now, as you can see, friends, after the test 9, so these are the benchmark scores which we got 8,45,000, and you can see the temperatures 46 degrees Celsius. The temperature is increasing slightly higher, and let's do the last round of testing, which is a 10 times of Antutu benchmark test. And I will be back at the end of the 10 times of Antutu benchmark test in the iQOO Neo 7 device, and let's find out how is overall stability. But till now it looks really pretty good regarding the stability wise. So it did not decrease much regarding the performance. And I will be back after the 10th round of Antutu benchmark test. So finally, friends, after 10 times of continuously doing the Antutu benchmark test in the iQOO Neo 7 device, these are the benchmark scores the phone did receive. So is the iQOO Neo 7, and finally the battery dropped to 48% from 100%. And you can see the temperatures at the end of the test 45 degrees Celsius. So overall the performance seems to be maintaining pretty very stable. So exactly same score what in the test 1 has got, similar kind of scores we can actually see in this device. I'll try to show you the screenshots as well one by one just to get a clear idea. So I've taken all the screenshots starting from here. So when the battery percentage is about 97 in the test 1. So round 1, round 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. As you can see, friends, overall. And you can see the battery, how much it's decreasing, and now is overall temperature also increasing while performing this test. Try to focus on that, but overall the benchmarks didn't decrease much. And you can see the battery dropped by 5%, 5, 6, 7, 6, 6, 5. So this is a usual battery drop I did observe in this Dimensity 8200. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is an extreme 10 times of Antutu benchmark test in the iQOO Neo 7 device, but overall the performance and everything seems to be kind of pretty stable, and final battery percentage drop is about close to 48%. As you can see, 52% got decreased after doing 10 times of Antutu benchmark test in the iQOO Neo 7 device with a 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and the high temperatures were about 46 degrees Celsius. Until then, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching and bye.